Here I have KYOCERA Torque G03, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So firstly you have to open the screen which you want to capture. For example, it could be settings list. And what you have to do next is to hold down, press combination power key and volume down at the same time, like this. And that's how you take a screenshot. Let me show you one more time. Power key and volume down. You can also take screenshot by holding down power key and then tapping screenshot here. It works the same way. You can find your screenshot in gallery, in the screenshots album. Here they are, our screenshots. And from here you can share, edit or delete it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.